everyone, my name is Dani. I'm Miss Montana USA, and today I am going to show you what I'm packing in my bags for Miss USA. I thought this video would be really fun because you don't usually get to see what girls take with them to Miss USA. 100% I believe I am overpacking. 100%. That's because I wanted to pack extra things because I'm arriving a week before everybody else is, because I have decided to road trip to Miss USA to visit family along the way in Texas and to just enjoy the entire experience because I've worked so hard. I want to just have a great time. All the work has been done. There's nothing more I can do. I am as prepared as I'll ever be. So I'm gonna have a really great time doing this. And I'm gonna show you guys what I have in my suitcase. I have a small little carry-on size suitcase. And this is really the suitcase that I'm using for the week before I go to Miss USA. And this is normally what I would pack if I'm traveling. I love packing cubes. You can get them from dollar stores, Amazon, Target, Walmart, TJ Maxx. So check those out. Love them for organizing all your things. So these are the easy summertime dresses that I'll be wearing on the road. I have a bag of swimsuits, a ton of underwear. This is my bag full of all my PJs and kind of really comfy things that I can wear. Always travel with a robe. This is a long sort of silky robe, but in another suitcase I have my luxurious kind of terry cloth one. I might have broke the tripod. Here is baby wipes, disposable razors, all my hair brushes. Then I have a bag with full-size shampoo and conditioners, sunglasses, and for any outdoor events, medicines or anything that I might need. I travel a lot and I've probably experienced every sickness you can imagine. Face washes, makeup removers. I have 3 pairs of flats. These are also going to be used for rehearsals and downtime at Miss USA. We were encouraged to bring a pair of silver, gold, and nude sandals. So check. Suitcase number 2 is quite boring. It's just shoes and things for my feet. So I always like to carry liquid Bandage. It's my favorite for blisters. I also have Moleskin and shoe pads. They're all really basic. I just stuck to blacks, metallics, and nudes. And I have 1 pair of red heels and a pair of pink heels. Bag number 3, a bag with more bags in it. There are hair extensions. I bought this in case it gets humid and rains. I heard that happens. Also, I just feel like it's an investment piece. I found it in the children's section at Target. I'm gonna find a reason to wear this at some point in my life. Waist trainer, just a couple more pairs of shoes that are wrapped. The robe I mentioned. This is all my jewelry. I got this from Joann's. You can get similar ones from any other craft store. 2 curling irons. This is my big bag. Here are some shirts I can wear for casual things, more like to breakfast or dinner. Daytime outfits, nighttime outfits, more nighttime outfits, which are all rolled to prevent wrinkling. My interview dress. These are very important. I take them to all hotels because we wear lots of makeup and you don't want to be rude and ruin the hotel towels. And hotel towels are sometimes sort of rough on your skin. So these are special makeup towels that are very, very soft so they don't irritate your skin. This is a bag of wraps. These wraps can be worn to events, rehearsals, by the pool. They're different types, just so I don't have to wear heavy jackets and coats because they requested that we don't do that. Here's my paperwork that I'll be taking to check in with basic things like medical forms, extra socks. I bought this mirror just so I could have in case for some reason my roommate's in the bathroom and I can't get to the mirror. Cups for your bra. These are the Shibue panties. These are just extra things I might need for under my clothes. Hair products, bobby pins, hairsprays, hair mousses. I brought a sewing kit, and then there's really just more kind of hair bath products. My last bag is pretty empty because a lot of the times you go to a pageant and sponsors will gift you with products and items, and I've had situations where I leave a pageant and then I end up having to leave gifts because they can't be taken on a plane or they don't fit in my luggage. So I've actually just left everything a little unpacked so there's room. I have my crown and sash. Cowboy boots. I'm so excited. One of our events is at a steakhouse and I'm really hoping there's gonna be some line dancing and two-stepping. My dance shoes because they asked if we could bring things that reflect our hobbies or things that we enjoy. And then I brought just some basic dance clothes that I could wear. Bras. These are from my amazing sponsor, Up Bra. They're incredible. I wear their bras to so many events. I'm obsessed with them. Last are just my athletic wear clothes. My makeup bag really needs its own mention. It's giant. Here are eyelashes, large makeup brushes, small makeup brushes, face products, foundation, blush, bronzer, extra beauty blender, which I bought from Macy's because it said beauty queen on it. These are eye products, concealers, eyeliners, lip glosses, lip liners, and then lipsticks and lip stains. I know, so many lip products. Palettes, baby palette, 2 Morphe palettes. This one though is my go-to for competition. The Too Faced chocolate palette. My mom actually got me this and I was like, why? And it's kind of brilliant. It is a pill case, and instead of putting pills, I put all of my used eyelashes that I want to save, that I know I can re-wear. And this has kept me from losing them. The last things that I have are just my gown bag and one more hanging bag with some pieces that I don't want to roll because they wrinkle so easily. It feels like I packed a lot, and it took a long time to shop for all of these items because most of them I just didn't have. I'll be taking 4 suitcases to Miss USA because one of them I'm going to be leaving with my aunt. I'm ready to go, and I think I'll include a really detailed list of packing supplies somewhere, like I said, in the description or on the side of the video somewhere. I hope that you guys enjoyed this video and that it was able to help you pack for your next vacation or your pageant, or that it just satisfied your curiosity if you want to know what I'm packing and what I'm bringing. Thank you so much for joining me for this episode. Please be sure to subscribe, give this video a thumbs up so other people can find it, share it with your friends, and follow me on my social media at Dani Walker, at Pageant Access, and for a few more months at Miss MT USA on Instagram. Thanks so much for watching, guys. Bye.